Welcome to Shine with Tara.
We're learning together one small step at a time.
Mama, what if I feel like someone took my thing, but I didn't see it?
That's okay. When we feel upset, our hearts can rush. Allah teaches us to slow down and be fair. We are learning together.
Ahmed, look, I found it. It was under the sofa all along.
But before this happy moment, something happened that hurt much more than a lost toy. Let's go back to this morning.
It's gone, my favorite red razor. I left it right here on the table.
Ahmed searched everywhere, but the car was nowhere to be found.
Tara, you were playing with my cards earlier. Did you hide it? Give it back.
I didn't take it, Ahmed. I was just reading my book.
I don't believe you. You always touch my things, so you must have taken it.
At that moment, Ahmed fell into Shak, bad suspicion, and he had no proof, but he let his anger choose a target.
Mama, Tara took my red razor and won't give it back.
Mama, I didn't do that. I didn't take Ahmed's car.
Did you see her take it, Ahmed?
No, but she was playing with it earlier.
Then we cannot say she took it. In our family, we don't accuse without proof. Come, both of you, let's sit and talk. Remember what Allah tells us in the Quran in Surah Al Hujurat? O you who believe, avoid much suspicion. Indeed, some suspicion is sin. We should think good of each other, especially in our own family.
Instead of blaming, they decided to look for the truth together.
See, it must have rolled under there when you were erasing it earlier.
Tara, I'm so sorry. I thought the worst of you when I should have trusted you. Will you forgive me?
When we suspect others without proof, we are letting shaitan whisper lies into our heart.
Of course, Ahmed. We all make mistakes. We're not perfect.
I'm so proud of you both. Thinking good and positive opinion of each other is what makes a family strong.
The Prophet ﷺ said, "Beware of suspicion. Do not have enmity with one another, but be brothers."
Tap subscribe and come shine with me.